This is our journey to one of China's ancient capitals, Hangzhou, a city that's truly integrated with nature. As usual, remember to subscribe, comment what you think, and hit the like. Thank you.
Who's next?
What?
Our Airbnb apartment was situated near the famous West Lake, a converted photography studio with many photography antiques.
Right, looks good. Are you going to talk about the cicada?
What? Talk about what? That noise?
The cicada?
Chile has dragons, the four, and the deer,
Deers.
the feet, and
The deer feet.
I forgot. 4 animals together.
Alright.
China has experienced massive economic growth. meaning greater standards of living and opportunities for the Chinese people. One worry with such rapid development is the neglect of standing institutions. The Chinese community seem to recognize this, as there isn't a major city that hasn't got a cultural restoration or reconstruction project, rebuilding temples, ancient villages, or building whole new ones. I'd say one of those long-standing institutions is nature itself. With the drive to house as many people in working areas as possible, developments need to come big and fast. The visual result is miles of concrete skyscrapers. What that means economically is accommodation and opportunities, which is something to be celebrated. You can't argue that this isn't or shouldn't be a priority. What we must realise though is that there is no such thing as a free lunch. There are always trade-offs. The trade-off seems to be that modern Chinese developments are not integrated with nature. In my Huangshan mountain video, I talked about how nature is for many people a spiritual need and has proven positive results in mental well-being. Modern Chinese cities have parks, sure, but that's entirely different than allowing nature to be part of the city's ecosystem. I found an exception in Hangzhou, whose natural spaces have been preserved better than any other city I've been to in China. The immense West Lake sits right in the middle of the city. Surrounding it are countless nature walks and temples, and the city's streets are lined with trees. The result is that Hangzhou is comfortable to walk and be in, and crucially, retains its character as a place in this world, and not just any other city that you might find in China.
I'm hungry. Well, I'm saying to eat.
This is basically it. No, it doesn't really look like this when you do it yourself. Yeah, no.